know why breakthrough changes lives? I'll tell you why it changes lives. It changed my life and changed many lives. The reason that it changes lives is because it gives people the understanding that the difference between someone that is successful at life and someone that's not successful and that's falling on their face time and time again is one big, huge, crucial understanding. And this is what breakthrough is based on completely, fully, on this premise, on this idea. The person that is not successful is the person that needs to first see it to believe it. They need to see the money in order to feel good. They need to have the love in order to feel loved. They need to have the job, the house, in order to feel like they're successful and that they did good in life. And the person that is successful, you know what their secret is? You know how they live, how they think? They have all the same fears, all the same insecurities, all the same comfort zones. But you know what makes them successful? They understand one principle. And the principle is that when you believe it, you get to see it. You understand? And when you believe it, you're going to see it in your life. It doesn't work the other way around. It doesn't work when I have the millions, then I feel like a millionaire. You got to first feel like a millionaire in order to have the millions. And that's what Breakthrough is going to be about. Join us.